Hey guys, let's cook some Cross Timbers Bison. Check out that right there. Cross Timbers Bison. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Grilling Addiction with Nick. I'm Nick. Tonight, we're going to be bringing you guys some Cross Timbers Bison. My wife and I, we celebrated our 20-year wedding anniversary, and we made a short road trip down to Sulphur, Oklahoma, and we just so happened to find this at a store called Buffalo Hippie Boutique. There's a lot of those stores down there, and we were just in there shopping, and I came across this, and guys, I just had to get it out for you guys on the channel, man. And it was kind of a neat deal. As I was there, they said, hey, are you guys still going to be shopping? And I was like, yeah. They said, well, won't you let us keep it in the fridge for you? And I told them that I was going to be shooting a video on it. Well, the person that worked there reached out to the owner of Cross Timber Bison, and they gifted us some Bison Bites, bison jerky. So we'll be able to give you a taste on both of these tonight, guys. I'm excited about this. We've got this slab, just really nice center cut filet mignon. And another thing that's going to be pretty neat about this cook is just right down, just not even probably 500 feet from the Buffalo Hippie, is the Spice and Tea Exchange at the Artesian, guys. This a really unique, kind of neat spice store. They have a lot of different salts and whatnot, but I picked up the maple bourbon jalapeno seasoning, and I'm excited to pair this with this Cross Timbers Bison tonight, guys. Cool cook. Hey, first cook of 2024. You guys stick around. Let's see how this bison tastes. Hey guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this out of the package and get it seasoned up for you guys. Guys, this is almost a pound center cut filet mignon. I'm excited to bring you guys some Oklahoma raised bison. Cross Timbers Bison, they put their hearts and soul into their bison and raising them and doing it the right way. Guys, this bison meat right here just instills everything that we support on our channel. We really want to get local, hardworking, raised animals and shoot videos for you guys and just show you guys that the hard work that these people put into their animals and their product is amazing, and we can do amazing things with it on the grill. Guys, this is a great looking center cut filet mignon. Guys, just looks great. It's got a good trim on it. We're not going to have to trim much at all. I'm just going to get on the board here. I might trim a little bit of this here, and then we'll get it rubbed up for you guys, and we're going to get on the grill, okay? Hey, Cross Timbers Bison, let's give this a shot tonight. Like I said, I'm not going to do much. They've already pulled the membrane off of it. So I'm just going to come in here, and I'm going to grab this stuff that's kind of loose, and we're just going to pull it off there. We want to make sure to keep it shape. This is a big, thick cut filet. It's going to be great on the grill. All right, that looks good to me. We might shape that up right there just a little bit. All right, guys, other than that, we'll get it seasoned up. Guys, tonight we're going to go with the black garlic truffle oil. This is not so much for flavor, but just as a binder on this buffalo filet mignon. We're just a light little bit. We just want to cover the entire surface so that our rub has something just to stick to. Guys, I want buffalo meat to be the star of the show in this video. We're going to be putting on some really cool rubs that we picked up, but we want buffalo meat to be the star of the show. It's been a long time since I got my hands on some buffalo meat too. So I'm excited to try this tonight, guys. I'm excited for this cook here tonight. That looks good there to me. Boy, that truffle is a very distinct, powerful smell. I actually used the Spice and Tea Company truffle salt on SCA cooks, and I think it helped me win one of my SCA cooks with that truffle salt. They have really good stuff there. I'm going to do a video kind of showcasing the other ones that I got, so you guys stick around and make sure you look for that video as well. This is a pretty neat place, and I'll put their information in the video here. All right, here we go. We're going to get this thing seasoned up. We're going to let this season stick on here just for a little bit as we get the grill up to temperature. All right, guys, we're going with the maple bourbon jalapeno seasoning, and it's from the Spice and Tea Exchange in Sulphur, Oklahoma. You guys, this is a neat little, guys, you can run down there and grab you some good bison meat here, and then go right down the road and pick up some spices. We just want to make sure that we cover all sides. Man, this bison looks so good. They did a really good job at the processing plant. And who doesn't love just a fat filet mignon like this, guys? All right, we're about there. Okay, that looks good there. Now we're just going to mop up all what's left on the board. We want to make sure this thing is covered in our rub. We're going to do a reverse sear on this. It's a big, thick steak. So it's been setting out to room temperature in the house because it's cold out here. It's probably 45 degrees or so. So we need to get this thing on the grill here pretty quick. But so I let it set out to room temperature in the house, and I'm going to put it on the indirect side of my smoker. I got some apple wood, and we're going to bring this thing up kind of slow, and we're going to shoot for a temperature of 120. Then I'm going to remove it, let it rest for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to spice up them coals and get them blazing, and we're going to put it back and put some great sear marks on it, okay? So that looks good, nice and rubbed up. Buffalo, Cross Timbers Bison. All right, guys, let's get it on the grill. Guys, quick little, we got an indirect zone over here. We got our coals right here, and I got an applewood chunk of wood there. So what the plan is this side over here, the coals aren't lit all the way, but these are to a white ash. So I'm just gonna bring that up kind of slow and let that applewood just travel straight through this filet mignon as we bring it up to an internal temperature of 120. And here's a look at that bison filet mignon ready to go on the grill, okay? We're just gonna set it right there, just like that. All right, guys, we're gonna get this closed up and I'll check back here in a bit. Hey guys, while we're waiting on this to come up to temperature, we're gonna go ahead and give these bison bites, it says this is the original flavor, Cross Timbers Bison Jerky Bites. Guys, we're going ahead give this a try for you guys. Like I said earlier in the video, these were gifted to us for purchasing that buffalo meat to cook for you guys. Another cool thing that happened to us while we were down there in Sulphur, we went to a local burger joint there in Sulphur, Fat Bullies, a really small place. We're sitting there ordering our food, and Arms Family Homestead walked in, so it was pretty neat to get to meet them. Just absolutely genuine people. It was a great time getting to meet them, getting to talk to Houston and Daniel and Daniel's wife there. We're gonna give these a try for you guys. Daniel speaks very high of these in the short conversation that I had. He said that Cross Timbers Bison could make a living on these things. They're so good. Hey guys, we're gonna go ahead and try this bison jerky that Cross Timbers gifted us. I got my boy here, Kyler, and we're gonna give it a shot for you guys. So good. This is the stuff that Daniel said was really good.
Yeah, can't believe you got meat on Shirley Homestead.
Yeah, pretty cool. Small world, guys. What do you think of the jerky?
It's good.
Awesome.
I'm dipping. Man,
that is very good, guys. That's high-end jerky right there. It's got a great flavor. Hey, again, Cross Timber Bison, thanks for giving us these. Appreciate it. Guys, we're going to go ahead and give this, we're going to check the internal temperature. It's been on the grill for right at about 35 minutes to 40 minutes. We're getting there. Looks like about 119 dead center. And all I've been doing is about every 10 minutes, I just come over here and I just flip it around like this. And all that's gonna do is make it cook really even, okay? And I've got the exhaust on the cooker. It's going straight out. So that heat is literally just running straight through it. Guys, we got this thing to 125. We're gonna get it on the cutting board. Hey, Cross Timbers Bison. We're gonna get this thing on the cutting board, let it rest for a little bit. I'm gonna bring these coals up. I'm gonna put my sear plate in there, and then we're gonna sear this thing off and give this a shot. Here we go, guys. Cross Timbers Bison. We're gonna get a sear on it. And then we do a quarter turn. All right, guys, here comes the hashtags. Check out that right there. Cross Timbers Bison. Finish with the sear. Look at that right there. Tell me that's not absolutely a great sear. Man, great color on that thing. All right, guys, we're gonna get this on the cutting board and we're gonna give it a shot. Man, that looks good. Guys, we got this thing done. Man, I'm having some problems with my camera right now, and this cold weather is no good for the camera, but man, this thing looks absolutely amazing. Cross Timbers Bison, first bison on the channel. Man, I'm excited to get cut into this thing. I think we got a great cook on it. Really got some good color with the applewood smoke and the jalapeno bourbon rub. Put some amazing hashtags on it. Hashtags. And now we're gonna get slicing this thing. I'm gonna get you guys down here on the board, and we're racing right now. I've only got like 15% on my camera, so here we go. We're gonna get cut right down the center on this, and I'm gonna give you guys the money shot. Here we go. Look at that. We killed the cook on this. Look at that, guy. That's a perfect cook on this bison. Man, it looks so good. All right, I'm gonna get the camera up on me, and then I'm gonna taste this. Man, I'm excited to try this. Guys, look how just tender this is. Look at that. And it's just gonna come right apart. Look at that. That's good, high quality meat right there. Cross Timbers Bison Filet Mignon Grilling Addiction with Nick. First cook of 2024. Here we go. Let's give it a taste. Man, guys, that is amazing. Man, that meat, it's got a great, unique flavor to it. It's been a while since I've had bison, but this is some good stuff, guys. The rub has got a little bit of heat on it, but it's got a little sweetness to it, too. So that jalapeno bourbon rub is great. Man, this is some great bison right here, guys. Guys, go support a local producer in Cross Timbers Bison. Guys, go check out their YouTube channel. They've got an amazing YouTube channel. They really will educate you on bison as a whole, and you will love their content. Guys, crazy excited to bring you guys more cooks like this in 2024. Man, this was a great cook, guys. You guys, if you got an opportunity to go through Sulphur, go by there, pick you up one of these, or they've got a lot of other cuts in there. They had some chili already made up that I thought would be really cool. So then go by the spice shop as well and pick you up some rubs. This is a killer combo here. But hey guys, that's the end of another great cook. We're out. Man, Cross Timbers Bison has got it going on. Bison filet mignon.